Hi, hello. This is Mrs. Tehlim Cho, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE from Mar College of Engineering and Technology. So now let's see a topic on insulators. Insulators and its properties and its types from the subject transmission and distribution. So what is an insulator? Let us say an electrical insulator is a material whose internal electric charges do not flow freely and which therefore does not conduct an electric current under the influence of an electric field. A perfect insulator does not exist, but some materials such as glass, paper, Teflon, which have high resistivity, are very good electrical insulators. Insulators are used in electrical equipment to support and separate electrical conductors without allowing current through themselves. So now we'll discuss about properties of a good insulator. A good insulator should be mechanically strong to bear the conductor load. Leakage current flows through insulator should be minimum so that it must have high insulation resistance. Next, it should have high dielectric strength. It should be able to withstand over voltage and normal working voltage. It should be a perfect homogeneous material. It should be non-porous. It should not have any impurities like holes, cracks, etc. It should not be affected by the changes in temperature. So these were the properties of a good insulator. Now let's discuss about the types of insulator. So when we see the types of insulator, there are many types of insulators, but there are four common types of insulators that are pin insulators, suspension insulators, strain insulator, and shackle insulator. Let's discuss about these types of insulators one by one. First of all, we can see about the pin insulator. So, this is the picture of pin insulators. So, a pin insulator consists of a non-conducting material such as porcelain, glass, plastic, polymer, or wood. The name suggests the pin-type insulators is secured to the cross arm on the pole. There is a groove on the upper end of the insulator for the housing of the conductor. The conductor passes through this groove and is bound by the annealed wire of the same material as the conductor. Pin-type insulators are used for transmission as well as distribution of electric power to voltage up to 33 kV. Beyond the operating voltage of 33 kV, the pin-type insulators become too bulky and hence uneconomical. So this is the schematic diagram of pin-type insulator. Now, let's discuss about the next type insulator, that is suspension insulator. So, this is a picture of suspension insulator. So, yeah, for high voltage that is greater than 33 kV, it is a usual practice to use suspension type insulator that consists of a number of porcelain discs connected in series by metal links in the form of a string. The conductor is suspended at the bottom end of the string, while the other end of the string is secured to the cross arm of the tower. Each unit or disk is designed for low voltage, that is for 11 kV. The number of disks in series would obviously depend upon the working voltage. For instance, if the working voltage is 66 kV, then 6 disks in series will be provided on the string. So this is the schematic diagram of suspension type insulator. Now let's discuss about the third type insulator, that is strain insulator. So this is the picture of strain insulator. So when there is a dead end of the line or there is corner or sharp curve, the line is subjected to greater tension. In order to relieve the line of excessive tension, strain insulators are used. For low voltage lines, that is less than 11 kV, shackle insulators are used as strain insulators. However, for high voltage transmission lines, Strain insulators consists of an assembly of suspension insulators as shown in the figure. The disc of strain insulators are used in the vertical plane. When the tension in line is exceedingly high at a long reverse span, two or more strings are used in parallel. So, this is the schematic diagram of strain insulator. Let's discuss about the last type of insulator, that is shackle insulator. So this is the picture of shackle insulator. So in early days, shackle insulators were used as strain insulators, but nowadays they are frequently used for low voltage distribution lines. Such insulators can be used either in a horizontal position or in vertical position. They can be directly fixed to the pole with a bolt or to the crosser. So this is the schematic diagram of shackle insulators. So once again we can recall all. First of all, we have seen what is insulators. Then we can discuss about the properties of a good insulators. Then we see about the types of insulators, and four types of insulators we discussed. So I think we all are clear about these insulator. So thank you.